Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your Cottagers Kale. So Cottagers Kale is a perennial plant, so it's well worth growing in your kitchen garden or on your allotment just to save yourself some time. So I'm going to start mine off into these modules, and all I'm going to do is sow 2 seeds per cell, and then once those seedlings germinate, I'm going to remove the weakest one. So I'm just going to sow those on the surface of the compost. And then I'm going to lightly cover those with some soil, so I'm just gently pressing those into the compost. And then I'm going to give those a light water. So I'm going to pop this module tray in my greenhouse at home where I can keep a nice close eye on them. Once those seedlings germinate, I'm going to remove the weakest seedling, and then when the remaining seedling has developed a set of true leaves, I will carefully prick that out and transplant into small pots. And then I'll grow those seedlings on in those pots until they've developed a nice strong root system. And when the plants are around 10 to 15 centimetres tall, I will transplant them into their final growing positions at the allotment, where I'll space them around 50 centimetres apart. And as with all brassicas, we'll probably want to cover our young plants with some netting to try and protect them from the pigeons and the cabbage white butterflies. So you can harvest the leaves of your Cottagers Kale throughout the autumn and winter as required, but you can also harvest some of the younger leaves earlier in the season if you wish. Because Cottagers Kale is a perennial, I'd recommend harvesting little and often just to encourage those plants to stay productive. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.